مرحبا، أنا اسمي زينة فاشا، واليوم راح أحكي عن ال animal abuse. Cruelty to animals, also called animal abuse, animal neglect, or animal cruelty, is the infliction or commission by humans of suffering or harm to any non-humans. Animal cruelty is an issue we extremely suffer from in Jordan. We also take it very seriously. It is a crime punishable by law. If you witness anyone abusing an animal, act immediately so you can prevent further harm to the animal by calling the police or other authorities. You can also help by teaching children to have respect for animals and by telling them that it's wrong and to treat animals kindly. Here are 10 things you can do to help. 1. Adopt, don't shop. 2. Speak out for animals because they can speak for themselves. 3. Share kindness so others can do the same. 4. Make a donation to your local animal shelter. 5. Educate yourself about animal abuse. 6. Adopt from a shelter or breed rescue group. 7. Appreciate wildlife. 8. Help the tragedy frequency of adoptable animals. 9. Identify your pets. 10. Report animal abuse.